Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a clear Shipments tab and populating it with tracking numbers and carrier names. This is the foundation. Once done, import or paste recent orders and set ETA and origin columns so formulas have consistent inputs. Make sure to add a carrier's lookup tab for API keys and a status log tab for history. This avoids manual overwrites. You do this now to let automation and formulas reference normalized fields, which reduces errors later when you fetch live updates. Next, you connect sheets to carriers. Write an app script function or use ImportJSON to fetch tracking data. This is where you automate live status. Once connected, parse responses into status, timestamp, and location columns and use consistent keys so formulas map correctly. Make sure to batch requests with timeouts and use triggers to avoid rate limits. This keeps your sheet responsive. Also implement VLOOKUP or index match to apply carrier-specific rules, and wrap formulas in array formula so new rows auto-populate. Finally, set a time-driven trigger to refresh tracking every 15-60 minutes and create email alerts for delayed or exception statuses. This closes the loop for notifications. Once done, build a dashboard sheet that summarizes late shipments, counts by carrier, and an exceptions list so you can prioritize actions quickly. If things go wrong, first verify API keys and rate limits, then confirm JSON paths and cell formats. This fixes most issues. Make sure to log errors to the status log for future debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.